Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 90s inspired updo, really Pamela Anderson inspired. I've seen this look across all social media. Kim Kardashian's worn it, Camila Cabello. It's just a big trend right now. I wanted to attempt to recreate it today. So if you want to see how to get the look, then just keep watching. So I started with curling my hair with a 1 1/4 inch curling iron. Next, I'm going to start by sectioning out the front two pieces that I want hanging out. So with the first style, I'm going to use a clip to create the style. I take my hair like I'm putting it in a ponytail and I'm going to start twisting and twisting up until it starts creating kind of like a French twist. You're going to have some pieces left out after you clip up the hair, so you can either leave that out and kind of have a casual look, or if you want it to be a little bit more polished, you can start by pinning up some of the pieces with bobby pins. When you start pinning, you want to twist and pin. So if there's any pieces that are hanging out, just take a look in the mirror and kind of measure where you want some volume or where you want some pieces to hide and just start twisting and pinning. Next, I'm taking the Big Sexy Hair volume powder and I'm spraying that in the front two sections, and then using a comb or a brush to back comb to create some volume up front. And that's it for the first look. It's super quick, super easy. Next up, we are twisting again, taking that section into a ponytail and twisting up into a French twist, but instead of using a claw clip, we're actually going to use bobby pins to secure it in place for a more polished look that's good for special events or bridal. The way I'm putting in the bobby pins is I'm first going in directly straight on and then kind of anchoring the hair and then twisting to the side and then pushing in. So just make sure that it's grabbing a little bit of the hair so that it secures it completely. So it's just you're going to be left with a lot of hair at the top. So what I do is I take the whole thing and I just start rolling it up like a fruit roll up or something. But you just roll it up and start pinning. And if you want to leave out some pieces, you totally can. It's just up to you how you want the look to appear. If you want it to be a little bit more messy or a little bit put together. I wanted it to be a little bit more put together. So I was pinning and twisting and securing a lot of the pieces into the hair. So none of them were hanging out. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and I hope that you recreate one of these two looks. If you want to see more videos, please hit like and subscribe and let me know in the comments what else you want to see. Thanks for watching.